So I believe they have some kind of an alternative plan. We'll find out more about that. Helene is going to do something. I don't think she can print the book right away, but...
Yeah, was going on about food so much, so while I'm looking...
Oh, there's a loaf of bread. Okay, while the book comes, we'll all have a little bit of bread here. Let's break some bread. Do we have a knife or is it freestyle? Indian style. Why don't you just break the bread?
Ah, so that's how we do it. Good idea.
All right. All right, come on. That's a coconut leaf. The book is wrapped in that. Well, we did say it's time to break some bread. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. And now we shall all have this bread. There's lots of it here. There's lots of it. Well, let's have a round of applause for Helene as well. She's the one who put the book inside the bread. So there she is.
And I would like to say, we also have here today one of the great writers of our time, Kiran Desai, who's been very supportive of us. So Kiran, please stand up.
Well, thank you very much, gentlemen. Now the bar is open and there is some sugarcane juice, and as you see, we have been doing things in a very alternative kind of a manner. Right from publishing this book, writing this book, everything has been in an alternative form. So there are some very tasty treats, but before you get off your seat, well, we're going to have the audio-video presentation right now. So the sugarcane juice can wait for a few minutes. We'll have the audio-video presentation, if you kindly bear with us for a minute, and then sugarcane juice.